What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today it's really windy day. We've got here about 55 kilometers per hour in gusts. So today we're gonna test out the new DJI Mini 2 in that conditions. And also today I wanna compare Air 1 to new Mini 2, because users of the Air 1 are thinking about changing this drone for Mini 2. So today we will see the difference, how they work in strong wind conditions. So we will start from the stabilization test. Two drones will be 1 meter above the ground. For now I think the Air 1 still will be better on the wind because of the weight. It's about 200 grams more for Air 1, and also it's a little stronger because in the sports mode the Air 1 can fly about 70 kilometers per hour maximum, 68 exactly, and Mini 2 can only fly 57 kilometers per hour. So it's a little difference, but the main difference I think is the weight. So we will see first the stabilization test, then I will fly out with the wind and then from to the wind, and you will see on the screen recorder how the speed looks like. So we're really close to the sea. Maybe it's not the best option because the wind is going to the sea, but I wanna do honest review of it. So let's try it and we will see is that safe or not. Aha guys, and just remember to subscribe if you enjoy the reviews and tests like this. So remember about that with the bell of course. And let's start. Alright guys, so like you see, we are front to the wind, the drones are front to the wind, and like you see, Mini's got a little more problems I think than Air. Looks like the Air is more stable. Oh, now when are the guests from the wind? You can see now. From to the wind. Both drones are in normal mode, and now I will try to change to the sports mode. Alright guys, so now we've got the sports mode in both drones, and now we will see how it's going. So we will wait for some guests from the wind. Really nice conditions. surprise for me that this tiny drone can fly similar to Air 1, because like I said, we've got here 200 grams less than in Air 1, and like you see on the videos, the speed in the front to the wind was really similar, so really impressive for me. I think I can't now say that which one is better. Of course, in the stabilization test, the Mini 2 has got some more problems, like you've seen on the video, than Air 1. But in the air, so the most important, it was really similar. So I think when you will be careful in that strong wind, you can also fly and you shouldn't lose the drone. Also, I can say that when I was on Canary Islands 1 year ago with Mini 1, I've got lots of problems. For example, on Fuerteventura, you've got the similar wind like today. There is the everyday that wind, and I was flying, but it's not possible to do some good shots because always the gimbal was flying. Here also, but a little less, and the speed was really low, and I was able to fly maybe 50 meters far, and that's it, because it was super dangerous and I was able to lose the drone. So not the best option, but with that drone I think I should have less problems, and it's better one, so I think it's safer, so I can recommend it. But for now I can't compare the Air 1 and Mini 2 on flying, because I need to see it on my computer. So just leave the comment, because now you're watching this, so leave the comment below. Remember to click the subscribe button, because I do lots of tests like that, and it will be more of it on that channel. So remember, subscribe with the bell. And thanks for watching, see you next time.